Kumbalai pongut kisamla na katemri boy mentagasngi kile opdang ka sernat lembat kitiar kapsnyu hadin bakila pendap ya kejing syahi kai kapsnyu kebashi benai lenter balas sedang na du benai rempang ha kasnong nongjeri bar kane kalalong kajing ai mensim mi kibabun kisamla bakim dai ban ur kerdu kam kerdu jam bar ban smopo e kano kano ka kam baki trei namar kajing kini hi ka kai ka pateng na kibar jala kare ka ALP ka baklain kumbala penpau do uwe ni kisamla ubala pendap kajing syahi kai kapsnyu kabakam sengtanat bani osngau kalong bana pneng kiti kilai pongut ki samla shenrang ki balayo e kajing syahi kai ka kam kapsnyu kanai ngut keliyo mentre kidukan rushimet nyungut kesdang menseng yala kejong kidukan barkar wingut kelaran kajing temu bansengi kidukan leng baki skim sarkar kum ka PMEGP bat kiwe ki jinarap leng baki ram na kibang balai ngut pat kiranan kajing temu banlai pentemit chushu ilade shaka advance training bandang penjanai ka sab kapsnyu kejongki ya kate kajing syahi kai ka bahpo jong ka Suncarf Aspiration Skilling Abhiyan Project halor ka men salun kabalade ban penlong ka shenong nongjeri lapan yai daga office jong Deputy Commissioner jong Kariboy District ha ka jinga trelang rengkat ba ka LLian Institute ba ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society ha kani ka sngi lawan bansam mi kisernat da Deputy Commissioner jong Kariboy Warpit Upade IAS ha ka jinan lang UHD Cruz General Manager ka DCIC kong S nombri Skills Development Officer Riboy lembak kinong payai ke LLian Institute kibakan thuk usamla sain kupar sengkeli barka samla dari hun lengdo.
Early scheme ke bang batai ke bingkong mereka PMEGP. PMEGP kemud Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. Tang nak kata keteng pun langsung tu Prime Minister Employment Generation Program. Kemud dari scheme juga sarkar pedeng ke bang aila dati betul sengi lagi jongki kam bijak. Noh. Di kan ni ke PMEGP buat ibasan ru apa bisa rak yang dia LLian Institute isim dah kata PMEGP. Jadi kembang ila iklan meneng ila shokai. Unfortunately, may ilang isa up sistem asak handai one of COVID aja po di kabun gijing kabayikan do akor bai isim itu scheme akor bai sengin kam hadu ba piong ba ajan poi put ba mun khang no scheme no dei da kajing rap jong blay da kajing rap try kan rap ba rap itu na i skills society la yo revan nang yo KM mo KM biang ka kam ni badala apan nong kum ni kum kalong mentah ini tang iba sandu lagi ni iba dapat di faculty barang ni bagi bayi lang bat iru ngai kulai itu bilala bani yang kat ni mah dengan kan PMEGP mendai tang yang ini ya fiba sing kam sedun negeri paro je kam fiba bila sing ada tak ada skim mah kata wala fis ngabatai mentar ka balong kawai hak kam apa fitre kalau bila matai lang iba yang semru ki bomle kam supi di bele iwi kam hikam kemud kumun ongno hikam sejimbang bakery kam salon otherwise servicing any kam belum manufacturing but service itu kam apa kilawan le kan kam jupi kapnyo ni kam apa service sector mo.
The reason behind this is that this is one skill which we all require in our society, which will give you a readily income. There are opportunities like you can set up your own also, you can work with someone else also. Even if you start working with someone else, eventually you will open up some other place. It requires a very less investment in the initial phase and it gives you a steady income. And you have to understand this thing that there is no such job which is people say it's a lowly job or something like that. No, you are all going to do service to a society. You understand this thing, you have to believe this thing, and you have to feel very much happy that you are being given this opportunity by the God to serve the society. I believe that your experience has been good with the training, and I could see a lot of hands raised when we were asked whether you would like to start your own setup. We are very fortunate enough today that Bason is here from DCIC, and we have madam from MRB, and we have madam from MRB. So we have madam from MRB also, who will both of them will tell you on how you can tap in the opportunities which are already available to you to make your own setup.